Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences.
Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Vassco Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Vassco Wi-Fi Extender is a device that helps increase the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, take the Vassco Wi-Fi Extender and plug it into a power outlet near your main router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED light becomes stable. This means the extender has powered on and is ready for setup. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or computer. Look for the extender's default Wi-Fi network name such as Vassco_EXT. Click the network and connect to it. Usually, no password is required for the first connection. After connecting, open any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type one of these setup addresses, 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. This will open the Vassco Extender login page. Enter the default login details, username and password. Both are admin, some models may leave password blank. Click Login.
After logging in, select Repeater Mode. The extender will scan nearby Wi-Fi networks automatically. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi names, SIDs. Select your home Wi-Fi network, the one from your router. Type in your router's Wi-Fi password carefully. Keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, makes devices connect automatically. Set a new name, e.g., Home Wi-Fi_EXT, helps you identify the extended network easily. Click Save or Apply. The extender will take 30 to 60 seconds to reboot and apply the settings. Once rebooted, it will automatically connect to your router. On your phone/PC, open Wi-Fi settings again. Connect to the extended Wi-Fi network, same name as your router or the new name you set. Enter your Wi-Fi password, same as your main routers.
For the best performance, place the extender between the router and weak signal area. Avoid thick walls and metal objects. Make sure the extender still receives at least 50 to 70% signal from the router. Now setup is complete.
I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our technical expert at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for these informative videos.